Which is more dangerous, boiling water or the steam rising above it? Most people think they are equally dangerous, but is that really true? Before we begin, type your answer in the comments. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aamarpali Roy. Welcome to the science demonstration and quiz series presented by Saujanaya International Educational Foundation. Today we will use a simple pressure kettle steamer to explore an interesting science question. By the end of this demonstration, you will understand why steam can be more dangerous than boiling water and learn the science behind it. Let's begin. As the kettle heats, the water absorbs thermal energy. Its temperature gradually increases. Soon, bubbles begin to form throughout the water. This tells us that the water has reached its boiling point. The steam begins to rise. Tiny water droplets begin to appear on the glass lid. Here is your first question. Which transfers more heat to your skin? A. Boiling water. B. Steam. C. Both transfer the same amount of heat. Take a moment to think. We'll reveal the correct answer at the end of the video. Now let's focus on the glass lid. At first the glass is clear. As more steam reaches the cooler surface, tiny droplets begin to form. These droplets slowly grow larger. Some droplets merge together and they become heavy enough to fall back into boiling water. This process is called condensation. The steam changes back into liquid water when it touches the cooler glass surface. Second question, why can steam often cause more severe burns than boiling water? A. Steam contains additional stored thermal energy. B. Steam is always much hotter than boiling water. C. Steam moves faster than liquid water. Think carefully before you answer. Let's understand what is happening. As we heat, the water molecules gain energy and move faster. The water reaches its boiling point, which is about 100 degrees Celsius under normal atmospheric pressure. At this point, even though heating continues, the temperature of the water does not continue to increase. Instead, the additional energy is used to change liquid water into steam. This energy is called latent heat of vaporization. Think of it as hidden energy stored within the steam during the change of state. Now, when the steam touches a cooler surface, such as the glass lid, it changes back into liquid water. This process is called condensation. During condensation, the steam releases the hidden energy it had stored. This means that steam transfers not only its heat but also this additional stored energy. That extra energy is what makes steam capable of causing more severe burns than boiling water. Let's clear up a very common misconception. Myth: steam burns more because it is much hotter than boiling water. Fact: under normal atmospheric pressure, both boiling water and steam are approximately 100 degrees Celsius. The important difference is that steam carries additional energy in the form of latent heat. When steam condenses, it releases that stored energy very quickly. That's why steam can transfer more heat and often cause more severe burns. This scientific principle is used in many everyday situations. Hospitals use steam to sterilize surgical instruments. Pressure cookers use steam to cook food more efficiently. Steam irons remove wrinkles from clothes. Steam is also widely used for cleaning and in many industrial processes. Understanding this science also reminds us to be careful when opening hot cookware because escaping steam can cause severe burns. Steam is much more than just hot water in the air. It carries hidden energy absorbed during the change from liquid water to steam. When it condenses back into liquid water, that energy is released rapidly. This is why steam can transfer more heat than boiling water and often causes more severe burns. Science helps us understand everyday experiences and use the knowledge safely. Let's check your answers. Quiz 1. The correct answer is B. Steam. Quiz 2. The correct answer is steam contains additional stored thermal energy. Did you answer both questions correctly? Were you right? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's science demonstration, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Join us again for another exciting science demonstration and quiz series, where we explore the science behind everyday life through simple demonstrations and interactive quizzes. Until next time, keep observing, keep questioning, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.